Hey guys, in this quick video I want to show you how to drastically reduce your Photoshop files by drawing in two files and linking them together using smart object placement. This is super handy when working on drawings that, for example, have a big background and detailed characters with many layers. It has helped me reduce lag and it reduces the time it takes to save a file. Alright, here we go. This is a huge drawing with many characters and a very detailed background. And as you can see, I haven't even started shading yet, so that will only increase the file size even more. So what I have done here is I have created a separate file for the characters, which can be found here, and I have placed them into the background file by using the smart object placement. There's a little link here and it's really easy to use. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how to use the smart object placement right now. You go to File and then go Place Linked. You look up your file in which you have drawn the characters in this case. Characters only. You click Place and here we have our placed file. And the beauty of this is that you can click Enter. It will be visible here in the layer panel with a little link icon next to it. Then if we go back to our characters file, I can give this guy different color pants, for example red. We'll make it red. And if we save the file right now, it takes some time still. This file will have been automatically updated because we saved our linked file. So nice to use because the linked file won't use up a lot of memory, and we can make real-time changes into our linked file and it will automatically update into our main file. So for me this has saved a lot of time and a lot of headaches, so I hope this will help you guys as well.